Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial, investment, tax, or legal advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. The opinions shared in this video are my own and are based on my personal investing journey and experiences. Always do your own research and consider consulting a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investing involves risk. The value of investments can go up or down and could lose some or all of your invested principal. Past performance does not guarantee or predict future results. Nothing in this video should be interpreted as recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any security. You are solely responsible for your own investment decisions. Hello and welcome to Always Be Investing. Today is Monday, July 20th, 2026. Day 9, $900 total invested. Oil just hit $90. Why your stocks care. $100 into VTI today. The market headline changes, the investing habit does not. Today's ABI dashboard. The numbers stay simple, so the lesson stays clear. Today invested $100. Total invested $900. Core ETF VTI. Day 9. Today is not about predicting oil. It is about understanding how one global price can ripple through the entire market. Beginner rule: headlines are daily, investing systems are long-term. Current value $888.52. Middle East tension pushed crude near or above $90 and reminded investors that energy prices matter. What happened? Oil jumped as traders priced in supply risk. The Strait of Hormuz is a key global shipping choke point. Higher energy prices revived inflation concerns. Stocks wobbled as rate expectations shifted. Beginner translation: one commodity can move the whole market. The chain reaction: how an oil headline can become a stock market headline. War, supply risk, oil rises, business costs rise, inflation fears, rates stay higher, stocks reprice. Stocks do not fall because oil has magic power. Stocks move because investors update their expectations for profits, inflation, and interest rates. Oil is more than gas in your car. It touches almost every part of the economy: transportation, trucks, ships, planes, manufacturing, power, materials, logistics, consumers, gas, heating, delivery, businesses, margins and profits, inflation, costs can pass through, rates, Fed expectations shift. That is why energy can affect VTI, even if you never buy an oil stock. What happened in the market? Monday was not a crash, it was a risk reset. S&P 500 was down about 0.2%. Dow down about 0.6%. NASDAQ nearly flat. The beginner lesson: inflation plus rates. Oil matters because it can restart the inflation conversation. Inflation, prices rising across the economy. Oil can feed into fuel, shipping, food, airfare, materials, and delivery costs. If inflation stays hot, rates can stay higher. Higher rates often pressure stock valuations. This is why markets react before the gas station price changes. Why VTI helps with the headlines like this. VTI does not remove risk. It spreads risk across the whole U.S. market. Energy, tech, healthcare, financials, consumer, industrials. Diversification means some parts of the market can hurt while others help. VTI holds thousands of U.S. stocks in one fund. No single oil headline owns the whole portfolio. What beginners should not do. The market will tempt you to react emotionally. Do not panic sell. One scary headline should not destroy a 20-year plan. Do not chase oil. By the time everyone sees the headline, prices may already reflect it. Do keep learning. Understand the chain reaction, then stick to your investing system. Today's $100 lesson. The purchase is boring. The discipline is the point. I do not know where oil goes tomorrow. I do know what my plan says today. Buy another $100 of VTI. Total invested after today, $900. Next episode, Big Tech Earnings Week. Wall Street wants to know whether AI spending is turning into real profits. Alphabet, Tesla, Intel. Follow the journey. Always be investing. You can find us on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. Day 9, $900 invested. Subscribe to watch the account grow, one $100 investment at a time. Sources and disclaimer. Sources used for today's topic: Reuters, AP, FT, Barron's Market Watch. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Markets can and do go down, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Do your own research and consider speaking with a qualified professional before making investment decisions.